In this video, I will show you how to create a fully functional funnel using AI in just a few minutes without you paying anything for a funnel designer. Because what used to cost more than $3,000 now can be done in under just a few minutes with AI. And that's one example of funnel that AI has built for me. That's some more examples, and I will give you the exact prompt that you can use right now. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to use one of my clients as example because every month in my program we reward the most active people, and the most active person this month was Chris, who won a free funnel build from me. But what you need for the funnel design before you start? Just three things. First and foremost, you will need your social media URLs. If you have any previous funnels or websites, it will be useful. And at the end, we'll just need your Stripe payment link or just Calendly for creating this funnel. When it comes to creating the funnel, this is the framework that you want to use in the exact prompt. First and foremost, go to manus.com in order to use this AI software that you need for funnel creation, and everything that you see right here can be accessed in the description, where you will also find an invitation link for Manus, where both of us are going to get free credits that you can use for actually building the funnel itself. So once you open Manus and once you register through this link, go into the top left corner and click on New Tasks. Then you simply copy paste the exact prompt that you have seen and just replace it with your own initials. I have all of the information here pasted for my client, and once you replace this with your own information, just go and run the prompt. Then in a few minutes, Manus is going to give you a completely built funnel. I'm going to pause and show you the final result. And in just a few minutes, enough for me to make a coffee, AI has built the entire funnel. Text, VSL, booking the call, everything optimized towards my client's goals. And we can see it is beautifully designed according to his brand structure. And if you want to make this funnel even more powerful, I have a few bonus prompts for you so you can add some testimonials and social proof. Just use this prompt right here, insert a few testimonials and client pictures or videos, and then AI is going to add them towards your funnel. And on top of that, you can create a thank you page that will match the current style for the funnel. And of course, this thank you page is designed to increase your show up rate. Just go paste this prompt right here, and then it is going to build everything. And my favorite thing about this entire prompt is that it can build me everything while I'm enjoying my coffee. And I'm then going to show you the final result. And that's it. The thank you page is ready in under 2 minutes, and that's how it looks like. The prompt is designed to create the so-called thank you page that is here in order to increase your show up rate. Because with these funnels and the prompts, you will not only book sales calls for your business, but you also have show up rate at about 70 to 80%, which is above average. Your next step after you have watched this video, go click the first link in the description to access the prompt.